Search engines judge your content in milliseconds. And the first thing they read isn't your title or your content. It's your URL, specifically, it's your slug. That little piece at the end of your link looks harmless, but in today's SEO and AI-driven search world, it carries way more weight than most people realize. So in this video, I'll show you what a slug URL really is, why it matters more than ever, and how to write better slugs using AI without overthinking or keyword stuffing. Let's start simple. A slug URL is the readable part of a web address that comes after your domain. For example, in a link like mywebsite.com/writesluggerl, that last part is the slug. Its job is very straightforward. Explain what the page is about in the clearest, shortest way possible. For years, slugs were treated as a small SEO detail. Something you set once and move on. But search has changed. Search is no longer just 10 blue links. It now includes AI overviews, conversational answers, summaries, and citations pulled from many sources. That shift has quietly raised the value of clean, meaningful URLs. Why? Because both search engines and AI systems start reading your page from the top, and the slug is the first semantic clue they get. In classic SEO, a good slug helps search engines understand your topic faster, improves click-through rates by looking clean and trustworthy, and keeps your result readable, especially on mobile. But in generative search, its role goes even deeper. AI systems care about clarity, they care about consistency, and they care about strong signals that reduce ambiguity. A focused slug gives them exactly that. It helps AI quickly confirm what your page is about, match it with the right intent, and feel confident referencing it when generating answers. Now, here's the key mindset shift most people miss. You should think of your slug as permanent. Once your page is published and indexed, changing slugs later creates friction, redirects, trust loss, and confusion for both search engines and AI models. That's why writing the slug is not a casual step. It's a decision that deserves intent and structure. So how do you write a good slug? First, start with intent. Before you touch a single word, stop and identify what the page is actually trying to solve. Is it informational? Is it a definition, a process, a comparison? Your slug should reflect that core purpose, not just the topic. Next, keep it short and specific. 3 to 5 words is the sweet spot. That's long enough to describe the page, but short enough to stay clear, scannable, and future-proof. Short slugs are easier for machines to process, easier for humans to read, and easier to reuse across platforms. Then include your primary keyword naturally, not multiple keywords, not variations. Just the one main keyword that best represents the page. If it fits cleanly, it belongs in the slug. After that, remove unnecessary words, articles, fillers, and extra phrasing often add length without adding meaning. If a word doesn't improve clarity or intent, it doesn't belong there. And finally, make sure your slug aligns with your title and your main headline. They don't have to be identical, but they should tell the same story. Consistency builds trust for users, for search engines, and for AI systems. Now let's talk about mistakes. The biggest one is treating the slug as an afterthought. Another common mistake is changing slugs repeatedly after publishing. That weakens your signals and creates long-term issues. Many people also rely entirely on auto-generated slugs or blindly accept the first AI suggestion without refining it. AI helps, but your judgment still matters. Which brings us to the most useful part of this topic, using AI to write better slugs. In today's content landscape, everyone uses AI to speed up repetitive work. Slugs are a perfect fit for this. With the right prompt, AI can generate multiple clean, optimized slug options in seconds. It can help remove bias, shorten phrasing, and spot clarity issues you might miss. The smart approach is simple. Give AI your main headline, a short content summary, and your primary keyword. Then ask it to generate several slug options following best practices. From there, you just choose the one that feels most accurate and timeless. You're not replacing your judgment. You're accelerating it. This creates a strategic loop. You use AI to structure and optimize content. AI-driven search systems then understand, classify, and surface the content more easily. And you benefit across classic SEO, AI summaries, and conversational search. That's the real takeaway. Slug URLs are no longer just technical details. They are semantic signals. They are clarity tools. And in an AI-first search world, clarity wins. Use AI to get your slugs right from the start. Keep them short, keep them focused, and keep them stable. Because when your slug is clear, everything else has a stronger foundation to build on. If you want the full breakdown, step-by-step workflows, and the exact AI prompts I use to write and refine slug URLs, visit my site, Do It With AI Tools. You'll find the complete article, practical examples, and ready-to-use prompts to help you get this right from day one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.